Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone volume adjusting problem. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If you are experiencing issue with adjusting the volume on your iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to fix volume adjusting issue problem on any iPhone 6 to iPhone 15 Pro Max. Number one is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your iPhone volume adjusting problem is fixed. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Check the volume controls. Simply check the volume controls. Ensure the volume buttons are functioning correctly and not stuck. If your volume button is stuck, simply visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check the volume settings. Go to the settings, sound and haptics. Tap on settings, tap on sound and haptics, and ensure the volume is not set to 0 or muted. If your volume set to muted 0, simply volume up and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Check for dust and dubs in the volume buttons. Clean out any dubs or dust that may be affecting the volume buttons. Simply clean the volume button with brush, soft cloth or tissue paper and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Check for software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset. Tap on reset, reset all settings to confirm and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Disable and re-enable the volume controls. Go to the settings, tap on sound and haptics and toggle off sound and haptics and toggle off, then toggle back on. You can see appears on screen. Toggle off and toggle on and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying this solution number 9. Solution number 9 is erase all phone settings and hard reset your iPhone. Simply tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up this and is continue, erase your iPhone and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone 6, 7, 8, X, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series volume adjusting issue on iPhone after update the new iOS version. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.